Are you tired of feeling stuck in a job that doesn't excite you? Or maybe perhaps you're looking to break into a field where you can actually make a difference, but you're unsure of how to start. What if I told you that the path to a fulfilling and lucrative career might not be where you're looking at? Today, we are diving into the world of non-traditional skills for women, why it matters, and why now is the right time to get into it. And of course, how it's going to transform your life. Hi, I'm Favor, and welcome to Craft Her Future, a space where we explore endless possibilities for women looking to build, craft, shape their futures with the skills that are often overlooked. Whether you are just starting out, considering a change in career, or simply curious about what is out there, you are in the right place. Let me talk about something that is not only trending, but also incredibly important: the rise of women in non-traditional roles. When I say non-traditional roles, I'm talking about career in fields like carpentry, welding, plumbing, electricity, or even tech-related like coding or cybersecurity. These are the skills that for a long time have been male-dominated. But guess what? That is changing, and it's changing very fast. Take Sarah Blake, for example. Sarah was a marketing manager who found herself burnt out, unfulfilled, and yearning for something more hands-on. Doesn't that sound like all of us? She took a leap of faith and enrolled in a local trade school for welding. Today, she's not just a certified welder, but also a businesswoman who is running her own business, creating custom metal arts. Sarah's story isn't unique, trust me. Across the world, across the globe, women like her are stepping into roles that were once considered unfeminine, and they are thriving. They are killing it. Now, you might be thinking, but Favor, I don't have any experience in these areas. I get it. Trust me, I do. Starting something new can be intimidating. Here is the thing. Many of these fields offer entry-level opportunities where you can learn on the job. The barriers to entry are lower than you might think, and the rewards, they are incredible. In fact, according to recent studies, skilled trades are among the fastest growing field for women. Not only do these careers offer job security, but they also pay well, often more than the white-collar jobs. Let's not forget the sense of accomplishment that comes with mastering a craft. Imagine creating something tangible, something that people will want to use or admire for years to come. That is one heck of a feeling that you can put a price on. I don't care what you say. Let me share a quick story about Maria, a single mother who was working multiple low-paying jobs just to make ends meet. Maria felt stuck in a job, like there was no way out. But then she heard about a local program offering scholarship for women in skilled trade. With nothing to lose, Maria enrolled in a carpentry course. Fast forward a few years, and Maria is now a lead carpenter for a major construction company, earning more than she ever dreamt possible. More importantly, she has built a stable, fulfilling life for herself and for her children. Go Maria. Maria's story is a testament to the power of stepping out of your comfort zone. And that is what I want to challenge you on today. If you ever felt like you are meant for something more, or if you are tired of the daily grind and ready for a new change, my dear, now is the time to step out of your comfort zone and explore the options available in non-traditional fields. Do your research, enroll in a course, or even just reach out to the women who are already in this roles and ask them about their experiences. The possibilities are endless, but you have to be willing to take the leap. Before you go, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can stay updated on all the latest tips, stories, and advice to help you craft a future. I'll be here every step of the way, providing you with the tools and inspiration you need to succeed in a world that is full of opportunities for women like you. And if this video resonated with you, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need to hear this message today. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, the future is yours to craft. Let's build it together.